Ferrari 365 GTC 4 was introduced in 1971, with production ending after just 18 months in 1972. It was based on the legendary 365 GTB4 chassis and engine partnership, with a slightly lengthened wheelbase to accommodate the 2+2 seating layout, with Pininfarina opting for a very similar styling to the Daytona. It did, however, come with softer suspension to allow for a far superior comfort to transform the GTC4 into a legendary Grand Tourer. The 4.4 litre V12 was producing 340 brake horsepower with a top speed of 262 kilometers an hour, and of the 505 cars produced, only 42 were like this car, right-hand drive.